Let's go.
Hey baddies, welcome to day 4, core and glutes for gentle back bends, perfect for prepping your body for beginner-friendly back bends. Let's get started. Come into a tabletop position. Let's begin with right side fire hydrants. As you lift your leg, squeeze your outer glute at the top. Keep your core lightly engaged to avoid tipping over. Think of pressing evenly through both hands. From the same position, lift your right heel toward the sky for donkey kicks with 2 pulses at the top. Go slow and controlled. Keep your hips square, don't let them twist, and think of stamping your toes on the ceiling with energy. Switch to the left side, lift and pulse through your side glute, squeezing gently each time. Feel your obliques subtly kick in to stabilize the motion. Now donkey kicks on the left side, 2 pulses up top. Think about poking the sky with the tip of your toe. Stay grounded through your arms and feel the power build in your glutes. Lie down on your back and plant your feet. Press through your heels and lift into a glute bridge. Clasp your hands together under you if you'd like. Begin to walk your feet out 1 step at a time and then walk them back in. Keep your hips lifted the whole time, like there's a bowl of water resting on your front hip bones and you're trying not to spill a drop. Place a block under your feet. This adds challenge to your stability, which fires up the smaller stabilizing muscles. Bring the soles of your feet together into a butterfly position, knees out wide. Lift into a glute bridge here, squeeze your glutes at the top, and feel your inner thighs open as you strengthen. Keep your breath steady, you're doing so great. Block aside, legs together, lift both legs up, and at the top, open them into a wide straddle, then bring them back together and lower down slowly. Yes, legs do feel heavy, they're half your body weight. If needed, use your hands slightly to assist the lift, but aim to engage your core to initiate the movement. Now place a block under your sacrum, that's the flat part right above your tailbone, not your lower back. Let your pelvis rest fully into it, legs extended, and gently squeeze your glutes and draw your core in for subtle support. Relax into the stretch and melt into the arch. This is your gentle supported back bend. To come out, press your feet against the mat, lift up with your glutes to pull the block out, and slowly lower your body down. Flip onto your stomach for a Sphinx pose, forearms on the mat, shoulders away from your ears. Now gently lift one arm off the floor at a time. Try to keep the opposite arm light. It's about strength, not collapsing to one side. Feel your upper back turn on. Now try lifting both arms. Yes, it's a tough one, but think about drawing your shoulder blades together and squeezing your glutes for support. You got this. Bring your hands beside your ribs, elbows tucked in. Inhale to lift into a cobra, chest forward, heart open. Exhale to gently wave back down. Visualize your spine like a string of pearls, lifting one vertebrae at a time and lowering back down one at a time. These waves wake up the small but mighty spinal muscles. Come to a reverse tabletop, fingers pointing away from you. Press into your hands and feet and lift up, then dip your hips down and lift back up. Aim for a straight line from your shoulders to your knees at the top. Try floating your toes to shift the work into your glutes and hamstrings. Keep a micro bend in your elbows to protect the joints. Now place a block between your knees and lift back up into a hold. Squeeze the block. This activates your inner thighs and deep core muscles to stabilize you, which is so helpful if you advance to a wheel pose later on. Lift through your glutes and keep your chest proud. You'll feel so powerful after, so stay with me here. Come down, place the block under your mid-back where your thoracic spine is, hands by your ears, crunch your left elbow to right knee. As you return, open your heart, squeeze your shoulder blades gently. This is oblique and hip flexor work plus some back extension on the return. Switch sides, right elbow to left knee, crunch with control, engage through your front body, and when you lower back, expand through your chest and feel that beautiful spine mobility.
Finally you see what's been hurting me, but it's too late now. I checked out at the last go around. I've been hurting for so long. Finally free from the feelings that you left me. I'm no longer in the background. And now you're begging for
Remove the block and slide your hands under your glutes. Press your elbows into the mat and open your chest into a fish pose. This time, your muscles are doing the work, not the block. You're strengthening your upper back and getting familiar with unsupported back bending. It might feel weird or awkward if you're new to it, but this is key to building a safe and sustainable back bend practice.
you're saying all the right things, the things I really needed when you had me then. But it doesn't matter now. 'Cause now you're begging for a second chance in your darkest hours this time. When all I ever wanted was for you to rescue me from mine.
When you come out, roll up slowly, head up last. Come forward into a seated half fold to release. Flex and point your toes. Try to lengthen your spine as you fold, belly toward your thighs. Now into butterfly fold. If your hips feel tight, sit your bum on a block, soles of your feet together. Actively press your knees down using your outer glutes. Twist to the right. Keep your sit bones grounded and let the twist come from your upper body.
Dancing in the window, your head's on my pillow. This could be fun. No plans, maybe we could slow dance, slip into some romance. This could
Now twist to the left, opposite hand to knee, crown lifting. Breathe into the sides of your body.
I creep into the daylight, still no sign of brake lights. This is so fun. We ain't gotta pretend we're way more than just friends. This is so fun. We're popping and locking and ready to go. We're moving and grooving, not taking it slow. Slow down, we ain't gotta slow down, down.
Amazing work today. I'm so proud of you for showing up. Backbends can feel so intimidating, but they're so powerful for the longevity of your spine and nervous system health. I can't wait to see you in the next video. We'll focus on opening up through the front body.